Where's Fred? Oh, there he is.
He saw me! He saw me!
Oh, King!
Yo, this is gonna be the Scooby-Doo episode in the future. The Scooby-Doo Papa. Scooby-Doo! 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 Bro, that old guy is cooking! What is cooking? I'm gonna cook. Yo, let him cook. Let Orange cook. Let Orange cook. Ready? Scooby-Doo-Doo. Let it cry. Fazbear! Yo, go Fazbear! Fred, it's not for the bell! We're only getting basic! Going too slow! Freddy Fazbear, you're going slow! Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Fazbear! Freddy Fazbear! I'm feeling on your control! Like that! I got level 10 big yonder! Ready, Fazbear! I give him some seconds. Ready! Monster on the one. I repeat, the real Slim Shady, please stand up! It's gonna be a while. How about this team? Freddy Fazbear, Freddy Fazbear, Somebody give me the monster. I'm gonna cook the monster. Just stay still! I was just over there. I think I accidentally. Nah, God, this monster can't stay still. Where is the fake one?
Oh, dang, bro, there's the fake
one. Wait, we got Blue Freddy.
No, but we got Tommy, bro. We got
Who is it again?